In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now to create new alarm, use this plus at the top right one and set up an hour. When you finished, hit repeat and click on days of the week. To save them, hit done at the bottom right corner. Now choose alarm sound. Click add new at the top to pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. Tap on one of those alarms to set it up, and wherever you decided, go back. Now choose label if you want to name your alarm, and done to save its name. Hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back. Use this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And then to save it, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and click on the same check mark. And to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!